Good morning, student. In our previous video, we completing our lesson combustion and flame. So, today we discuss about exercise of our lesson combustion and flame. So, here some exercise question you have to given. First question, list conditions under which combustion can take place. So, here the answer of this question is the burning of substance in the presence of oxygen is defined as a combustion. What is combustion? That any material are burned with oxygen that present in the surrounding. It react with each other and that reaction is called as a combustion. The condition under which combustion can take place. Some conditions are takes place in a combustion. So first condition is the presence of a fuel plays a significant role. In the presence of fuels plays a significant role of the combustion. Without fuel, combustion cannot take place. Second condition is the presence of air or oxygen. Second thing is oxygen is a most important, is the second most important content. Without oxygen, combustion is also it cannot take place. Next, ignition temperature is mentioned. It meant to say that it is defined as any substance that catch fire at its lowest temperature. In second question, fill in the blanks. Burning of wood and coal causes pollution of air. A liquid fuel used in homes is a kerosene. Fuel must be heated to its ignition temperature before the start burning. Before start burning, it must be heated to its ignition temperature. After it's get heated on ignition temperature, it start a burning. Fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by water. Only water it can't control on fire by the produced by oil. Explain how the use of CNG and automobiles has reduced pollution in our cities. Answer of this question is CNG plays an important role in the reducing pollution among automobiles for the following reason. First is why the CNG plays an important role for reduced pollution. First important role of CNG. The CNG can be alternative for a diesel, petrol and propane. It meant to say that it's an alternative product for diesel, petrol, propane like LPG. It usually contains few undesirable gases than the other fuels mentioned above. So, it's undesirable gases that usually contain on CNG and some fuels like a LPG, diesel, petrol are mentioned. The combustion of fuel like a petroleum causes many unburned carbon particles are formed by the combustion of petroleum. With carbon monoxide gas is also present, it leads to respiratory disease and by the carbon monoxide it causes the various respiratory diseases like asthma. Fourth important role of CNG is CNG is comparatively a cleaner fuel. It's a cleaner fuel. Next question. Compare the LPG and wood fuel. So here we compare the two products. First is LPG, another is a wood. So first we compare wood with LPG. First we discuss about wood. It is considered as a traditional fuel. By the centuries its uses. It's a traditional fuel. both domestic and industrial purpose we use the wood. Wood produces a lot of smoke with pollute. By the wood, by burning of wood, there is a lot of smoke are produced, and that smokes are created pollutes. That pollutes are mixed with atmosphere. It's get polluted of air, and that polluted air it causes various respiratory disease like asthma. The uses of wood to a large extent cause a deforestation. When uses of wood is more, it meant to say that it causes deforestation. Deforestation means it's a totally cutting of tree. Only lands are present. Here, in the condition of deforestation, the percentage of oxygen is get decreases from atmosphere. The calorific value of food range between the 17,000 to the 22,000 kilojoule per kg. It's a calorific value of wood. However, wood may be used furnace, stove, fireplace and indoor while it is used for the campfire and furnace at outdoor. Next we talk about LPG. The uses of LPG. The uses of LPG. LPG, full form of LPG are liquefied petroleum gas. That LPG, it's replaced by wood. Here, from traditional method is changed. Traditional fuel is changes here. He replace their place and its place eternal LPG uses. That LPG is a liquefied petroleum gas. It doesn't release the smoke and other pollutant. LPG is not doesn't release any smoke and it's not form any pollutants. It is a cleaner fuel. Wood is not a cleaner fuel. The fuel efficiency of LPG is more than the wood. It meant to say that the range of 7,000, 17,000, and 22,000 it get more in LPG. The calorific value is a 55,000 kg and in the wood is a 17,000 and 22,000 kg. It's a calorific value of food. Hence LPG is a mostly preferred choice here. We can easily prefer anyone the uses of LPG replace of food. So here we compare the LPG and wood. So we get the result LPG is a more cleaner fuel as compared to wood and it's easily available and it's not affected of our atmosphere. Next question, give reason. Water is not used to control fire involve electrical equipment. So first answer of this question is water is not used control fire involving electrical equipment. किसी इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट पर अगर फायर इन्वॉल्व हुई है तो उस पर्टिकुलर जोन पर सिर्फ वाटर का यूज़ करके ही हम उस पर कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं. वाई? सो दिस solution of this question is water is a good conductor of electricity. It meant to say that अगर हम किसी बर्निंग प्लेस पर इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट प्लेस पर अगर फायर फॉर्म हुई है और वहाँ पर हम वाटर का स्प्रेड करते हैं तो हियर हमें उससे शॉक लग सकता है क्योंकि वाटर इज़ अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. If added an electrical wires, the water would just spread the electricity further. It's added the electrical fire, the water would just spread the electricity further. So by water भी electricity एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रांसफ़र हो सकती है. The person do using the fire might get the electrical short. और अगर कोई पर्सन उस फायर के कांटेक्ट में आ जाए तो उससे इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉक लग सकता है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. So here the answer, yes, LPG is a better domestic fuel as compared to wood because LPG is a cleaner fuel, but wood is doesn't cleaner. It releases the more amount of smoke and it's get polluted to our atmosphere. Wood, on other hand, release a lot of smoke and fumes, polluting the atmosphere. It's get a lots of it leads of lots of unburned carbon particle, and that carbon particle are mixed with our atmosphere. It's get a polluted of air, causing the various amount of pollution and leading the respiratory diseases. Hence, that LPG is better domestic fuel as compared to wood. So, here today we and third is a prepare itself catch fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrap around the aluminum pipe does not. So, here we talk about two reasons water is not used to control fire involving electrical equipment, and second is the LPG is better than domestic fuel than wood. In next video we will talk about third when reason is paper by itself catch fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrap around the aluminum pipe does not. So here today's your homework is that 5 question you can write down your notebook. That whole question for lesson combustion and flame. If you have any queries, you can send it message on the group.